So one more NEET JEE main question. So based on the current electricity. So the question it is given as the two cells with the same EMF E and different internal resistance R1 and R2 are connected in series to an external resistance R. The value of R show that the potential difference across the cell be 0. So here they said they have given as a two cells are connected in series. They said as connected in series. So now these two are connected across external resistance of capital R, and the EMF of the two cells is epsilon, that is same EMF it has, and the internal resistances are differ with R1 and R2. So we have to find out the potential difference across the first cell should be considered as a 0. So, and also we have to find out as a potential difference R. The value of R we have to find out. Capital R, how much we have to put it for to get as a potential to be as 0 for first cell. So means across this it is V1. In series the potential varies, current remains as constant throughout the circuit. So therefore potential across the first cell is V1 and potential across the second cell is V2. They have already mentioned that is first cell, so we have to consider only for first cell. But current through the circuit will be as constant. Current will be as constant. So now we have to take it as. So now we have to consider, we have to calculate the value of I. So current in the circuit it is considered as I is equals to V by R. V is here potential of the cells. Total cell or total current in the circuit, I is equals to total EMF divided by total resistance. So total EMF is epsilon plus epsilon, that is 2 epsilon divided by total resistance is R is there and R1, R2. These 2 or 3 are connected in series. So therefore R plus R1 plus R2. That is the current. We got it as 2 epsilon divided by R plus R1 plus R2. So now we have to consider as for the first cell potential difference, that too. So for therefore for the first cell potential difference is V1. V is equals to epsilon minus I into, here it is given as R1. So therefore I have to take it for first cell as R1. That is equals to V1 is equals to epsilon minus I is how much? 2 epsilon divided by R plus R1 plus R2. So therefore V1 is equals to epsilon minus 2 epsilon divided by cross multiplied. So that is R plus R1 plus R2. Sorry, cross multiplied. You get it as V1 is equals to epsilon, take it outside. So we'll remain it as R plus R1 plus R2 minus 2. Here I missed R1. 2 epsilon I have taken out, remaining R. V is nothing but I into R, right? So here in this already it is given as R, so that the potential should be taken as for the first cell is to be 0. So potential this is remains as equals to 0. That is V1 equals to 0. That is 0 is equals to epsilon R plus R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1, such that we get it as R plus R1 minus R2 plus R2 minus 2R is equals to 0. We need to find what? R. So R is equals to so here 2R1 plus R1 becomes as a minus R1 plus R2. For this left side it comes as an R1 minus R2. So in the above equation or the above answer, it is given as a R is equals to as R1 minus R2.